Caught in rooms, unofficial excavations, taking deep inside of minds to find the problems of fictitious. Want a part among the victims, see your knees get blown to pieces. See what dream my style will be surprised when pride is up to kiss. I fucking see your patience, I will pay to see you wasted like a prostitute with no excuse for reckless evocation. See the blisters on your crutches, got your necklace and beheaded. Apart from bodies filling nonsense, automated off of credit.
Running out of steam, I see you drowning with the fishes. No supply, no pressure, where's the power, where's the vision? Strain your pride to find the future, ride your tracks and hide your hypocritic gossip on your bed and down a wife for preaching beats and crickets. Sit your ass down, full action, get the bag. Ain't the press, still run that shit. Get the bag, be your fresh man, lie, never ever get the bag. With your practice, act like trash.
That's no fucking problem. First thing is that should have used the fucking condom. Shit is getting personal.